Good morning, beautiful people. It's not morning. It's not morning. What's up, beautiful people? My name is Sarah Jane, and today marks day 3 of Abs, where we work out our abs every single day for 21 days straight with no skips. If you're just joining us and you're new to the challenge, you can start from day 1, and I've linked that video right here. If you did day 1 and you skipped day 2, you can check up on that right here as well. And if you're new and you don't want to do day 1 and you don't want to do day 2 and you just want to start with us on day 3, that's fine as well. This is day 3. In every video, there's a different set of ab exercises that we're expected to do so that we can strengthen our core and hopefully, have some abs peek out as a result. And even if it doesn't, strengthening your core is never a bad thing. I just want to get into it so we can get this workout in and you know what I'm gonna say. Smash our goals, let's go.
So the first exercise you see me doing here is called the Flutter Kick, and these were super fun to do. They were actually quite hard, and it was challenging to me almost in a way how such a simple looking exercise could really make me feel the burn. I'm starting to develop a really huge love of all things plank right now. So this is the traditional X elbow plank. If you watch the other 2 videos, you saw me do an elbow plank and then you saw me do a traditional plank on 2 different days. So now I'm mixing it up and doing both of them at the same time. Honestly, my core better be solid at the end of this challenge because I'm putting in work. And this is one of my favorites of today's exercise set, and these are the leg up alternating toe raises, and these work your obliques like nothing else. So if you have a couple of minutes and you're watching this video right now, literally don't take my word for it, get on the floor and do one of these. Like, it's actually so fun and I enjoy doing it. And so it's crazy that you can actually work your obliques and work your core and have fun at the same time. So if you haven't tried these out, this is definitely something that you should start incorporating into your ab workouts. This one was by far the hardest of today's entire set of exercises. The crunch kicks, though they look simple, they will really challenge you. So the next exercise you see me doing here are called spider climbers, and they're kind of a variation of mountain climbers that we did, I believe, on day 1. But essentially, instead of your legs just going straight up towards your chest, they actually go outwards to work your, guess what, obliques. So again, it's really important to work your obliques if you want to give yourself the illusion of having a smaller waist.
That's all, folks. This has been day 3 of Abs, where we work our abs every single day for 21 days straight with no skip. This has been your friend SJ, and I am documenting the process.